It's not hoarding if you love the product and are passionate about using it. I am saying this because what I am gonna say next might come as a shock to all. I have got 11 robotic kits from Avishkaar and I have attended all the micro degree courses from. Hi, my name is Arth and I am 13 years old. My journey started 4 years back. I always had something about mechanical parts and building blocks. So when Avishkaar was demonstrated in my school, I knew it was the right step towards what I aim to achieve. I have created many projects such as Smart Waste Segregator, Snow Shovel Robo, Bhangra Dancer Robo and Santa Savior. I have also won the Avishkaar Maker of the Week as well as special mentions thrice in the Avishkaar IoTM Challenge.
His mother has previously worked for technology companies, and I too come from a technological background, and both of us are completely convinced that STEM learning is extremely critical for these times. And the only way to acquire STEM learning is through experiential learning. You have to dirty your hands. So you can't learn it in classrooms, you can't learn it through notebooks or textbooks. You have to build, break, build again, learn from that experience and just keep progressing. He's currently working on several projects. One of them relates to smart waste management, and it is heartening to see that this young generation is already thinking seriously about sustainability.
When I saw a Safai Karamchari manually segregating the waste, I knew I had to build something to automate this process. So I made the Smart Waste Segregator Robo. This robo works on the functionality of IoT sensors. The IoT sensors are wet sensor and IR sensor. I have used the wet sensor to recognize dry and wet waste, and I have used the IR sensor to detect the presence of the waste. And I have also used separate bins for segregation.
We're very thrilled that Arth is making projects with Avishkaar. During the process of making projects, sometimes he faces a lot of struggles, but he overcomes those struggles and finds solutions to them. I feel even if the child is not technically oriented, one should be able to think critically, have problem solving capability and look around the things in a wider perspective.
When I grow up, I want to run a workshop to innovate solutions and to contribute to building the nation and the world as a whole. And I am confident that Avishkaar will be the ladder that will help me to reach great heights.